Hello, you can call me Mpila Mhlengikazi. Today we are outside, but I did promise you guys a video regarding image. Regarding umoya. It is always about umoya, and want you guys truly understand the core of umoya. So first things first, angithandi ukuthi umoya niwuthathe kancane in such a way that's okay, fam. In terms of ukufika kwethu nokwakhiwa kwethu and stuff like that. Umoya was always there even before tea. And then came the nature. So can you imagine ukuthi uba uxhumene kakhulu nomoya phakathi kwe-nature nathi? Thina siwumafikizolo basically. The nature, the soil, the trees, life. Yabo sithiwa the tree of life, the tree of life. Ezinye izinto guys, ezinye izinto ngathi singathi siyinathi sesibone ukuthi i-meaning yakhona nokukhuluma kwazo nokusho kwazo is much deeper than what words meets the ear. Angazi noma leyo nto ikhona in leyo term, but I think you get what I'm trying to say. Ukuthi have you ever uthi uma ucabanga ujulisisela uthi i-connection iyini? Umhlaba ukanjani? Besides this whole science thing, I feel like science thing is just a means to an end. Ukuthi nje okay fine, at least we have an explanation for into ukuthi an understanding. When okwamampela we do not even have the slightest clue if sizoncika kulezi zinto lezo kuphela. It lives. Iyaphila. The nature that is. Kuyaphila. And it just takes the right mindset, a balanced spirit in order to communicate with different types of spirits, with different types of imimoya. Because ihlukile. Yeah guys, angazi ukuthi ngichaza kanjani. It's so deep. Into engayisho ukuthi yonke into umoya, yonke into eyalethwa i-nature, yalethwa umvelo inqangi okuyimvelo from umvelo inqangi. Kunomoya ukuthi wona. It's not just us. Because ngizokutshela manje ukuthi impande enganikezwa ubaba uSibanibane nempande enganikezwa ubaba uSibanibane efanayo ngeke ize ingisebenzele indlela efanayo, ngeke zibe namandla afanayo. Why is that? Because indlela abakukhulumisa ngayo akufani. Why bona bekhona ukukhulumisa? Because wangisho thina we have lost our roots. Thina we have lost our core. Indlela yokusebenza yasendulo thina sisayaziyo. Kanti back then endulo they really connected with the nature and they understood the fundamentals of nature. They spoke with the nature and they respected nature. Thina, first of all, we disrespect nature. Instead, siyikhatha off empilweni zethu. Not knowing ukuthi nature yazi more than thina. So back to the example that I was setting, ukuthi uSibanibane ngeke anginikeze impande, uzonginikeza impande efana nomunye but angeke zibe namandla afanayo. Why ngisho njalo? Why is that? Because now kungena iy'dalwa ezingafani. Lowo nyaka lowo nyanga le ingene umkhulu othile, nale enyanga naku kungene umkhulu othile. Labo mkhulu labo endulo bona the communication they had with nature, maybe it was more advanced than eyomunye. Because let me tell you something, indaba yobunyanga indaba yokugedla, it's all about them being capable of ukukhulumisa leyo mpande leyo ngale nto le ifuna ukuthi iyenze, ebese leyo mpande iyavuma isebenza ngendlela ekumele isebenze ngayo. Meaning mina ngisangakuthatha. I'm not saying guys try this at home bese nithi nizwe ngami. But I'm just giving you advice, not the technique. Take the advice, not the technique. Ukuthi mina ngisasebenzisa isihlahla esithile as long as ngisikhulumisile sakhona ukungizwa sa-communicate savumelana nami, sizongisebenzela ngale ndlela le mina engifuna ngayo. Because nature lives. Nature heals, iyodwa. Ukuthi uya-underestimate umoya and we expect umoya ukuthi ube into ethile. We expect umoya uyiveze ngendlela ethile. The birds, yonke into. And each one of us has this part le nature le wena uphathiswa yona ukuthi kuyahluka ukuthi wena iyiphi part ophathiswa yona. Connect. Cinga eyakho a-part of your nature. Ukuthi mina I was given this part of your nature. I enjoy this part of your nature. And then when you enjoy it, communicate with it, interact with it as if it's